Maadai Kara. A long time ago on the Kazakh steppe, the great Bayterek tree grew. This special tree was called the World Tree, and it united the upper, middle, and lower worlds. Its branches reached into the heavens of the upper world, where two birds called out the number of days remaining until the end of the world. Its trunk belonged to the middle, or human world, ruled by Maadai Kara, and its roots went deep into the underworld where the god Erlik ruled. Maadai Kara had a glorious reign, but as he grew old, he lost his power. One day, he fell asleep, and his sleep lasted for 60 days. When he finally woke up, his enemies were close. He knew that when they approached even closer, there would be a terrible war. Maadai Kara had a baby son, Kogude Mergen. To keep him safe, he decided to take Kogude Mergen to the Black Mountain and leave him there, where a poor woman of Altai found him. Maadai Kara returned to fight the battle, but he lost, and the new ruler, Kara Kula, made all of Maadai Kara's people slaves. On the Black Mountain, the poor woman of Altai took care of Kogude Mergen until he was ready to live his life on his own. When he was old enough, Kogude Mergen left the Black Mountain on his horse and rode across the land. He crossed a poisonous sea, made it through the moving mountains, and faced many monsters on his way until he reached the home of Kara Kula and defeated him in battle. Kogude Mergen set all his people free from being slaves. He became the new ruler, and with the help of 7 Khans, he married the beautiful Altin Kusku. But still, his quest was not over. He descended into the underworld, to the land where the dead dwell. There, he fought Erlik, the lord of the underworld, and won. Kogude Mergen released all the good souls from the underworld, leaving behind only those who were guilty of committing terrible acts in life. Kogude Mergen and his wife, Altin Kusku, ruled the land in peace and harmony for many years, bringing about a new golden age in the human world. When their lives came to an end, Kogude Mergen, Altin Kusku, and the 7 great Khans became stars. If you look into the sky on a clear night, you can still see them there, watching over the world.